Welcome back, dear students. Hope you all are fine. We are reading second chapter of science, that is nutrition in animals. In the last video, we have read about introduction of the chapter and how the different animals take their food. So today we will read about starfish and digestion in humans. So let us study about starfish. Starfish eats the animals that are having a hard shells or hard outer covering. It eats the animals that are having hard outer covering or shells These hard shells are made up of calcium carbonate. They are made up of calcium carbonate. The shells of the egg, they are also made up of calcium carbonate. So how do the starfish eats the animals that lives in a hard shell? First of all, the starfish opens up the hard shells. First, it opens up the hard shells. It opens up the hard shells. And after opening the hard shells, its stomach comes out from its mouth. After opening hard shells, its stomach comes out from its mouth. Comes out from the mouth. From its mouth. And why does this stomach comes out from the mouth? To eat the soft animals that are present in the shells. Eat the soft animals. Eat soft animals that are present inside hard shells. Inside hard shells. And after eating those soft animals, its stomach goes back inside the body. After eating soft animals, its stomach goes back into the body. And then the food is slowly digested inside the body. Then the food is slowly digested. Slowly digested. So what the starfish do? First, it opens up the hard shells of the animals, and after opening the hard shell, its stomach comes out or pops out from its mouth. Why does the stomach comes out? To eat the soft animals that lives in the shells. And after eating that soft animals, the stomach goes back into the body, and then the food is slowly digested. The food is slowly digested inside the body. So that's all. Now we will read about digestion in humans. How do we take in food? Yes, we take in food through the mouth. And the process of taking in food, is called ingestion. The process of taking in food is called ingestion. It is called ingestion. And the food inside our body passes through a canal. It passes through a canal. Food inside our body passes through a canal. And this canal is called alimentary canal. It is called, the name of the canal is alimentary canal, or also known as, this alimentary canal is also known as digestive tract or digestive tract. When the food passes through this alimentary canal inside our body, it slowly gets digested. And this alimentary canal starts at the buccal cavity. It starts at the buccal cavity and ends at the anus. Where does it starts? It starts at the buccal cavity. At the buccal cavity and ends at anus. And this alimentary canal can be divided into various compartments. These compartments are, first is buccal cavity. Then second is our food pipe. Food pipe is also known as esophagus. It is also known as esophagus. So this is the spelling of esophagus. OESOPHAGUS. Third one is stomach. The third compartment is stomach. And after the stomach, small intestine. This small intestine. Then the fifth one is large intestine. Fifth is large intestine. And the large intestine ends at rectum, which ends at rectum. And the last compartment is called anus. It is called anus. So these are the compartments in which our alimentary canal is divided. First is buccal cavity, then food part, which is also known as esophagus. Then the third one is stomach. Fourth is small intestine, then large intestine, and the last one is anus. So when the food passes through these compartments of alimentary canal, it slowly gets digested, and when the food gets digested, we absorb the nutrients from them. We absorb the nutrients from the food. When the food passes through our alimentary canal, when the food passes through the alimentary canals, then the various glands such as salivary glands, the various glands such as salivary glands, pancreas, and liver, and small intestine, and inner walls of the stomach, they release digestive juices. All of these parts releases digestive juices in the food. They release digestive juices. So what is the work of these digestive juices? These digestive juices convert the complex substances that are present in our food. They convert them into simple substances. They convert complex substances into simple substances. And these simple substances are absorbed by the body. These simple substances are absorbed by the body. The alimentary canal is having a length of 8 to 9 meters. Its length is 8 to 9 meters. Means alimentary canal is 8 to 9 meters long. And the food that remains undigested, the undigested part of the food is defecated. Undigested part of food is defecated. The word Defaceted means excreted. Means excreted. So the undigested part of the food is excreted out from the body. It is excreted out from the body. And the alimentary canal, along with the various parts or along with the various glands, makes a system. They forms a system which is called digestive system. The alimentary canal along with the various glands, they forms a system that is called digestive system. That system is called digestive system. I hope all of you understood till here. So next part we will discuss in the. I hope all of you understood till here. So in the next video we will discuss about various compartments of the human digestive system and how the food gets digested in the various compartments. Hope you like the video. So press the bell icon. Thank you students for watching. Bye bye. Take care.